Today, the Sharks Foundation has joined forces with Western Digital to provide a $30,000 community assist grant to Oakland nonprofit Scientific Adventures for Girls. We are so excited to be joined here today with over 50 volunteers between Team Teal and WD. They're going to be packing 600 STEM kits, which will be provided to local female youth this summer so they could bring STEM education into the household and practice these science concepts with their families.
Our mission is to engage girls in kindergarten through 6th grade in all things STEM. We focus specifically on girls of color and those girls that are from underserved communities in the Oakland East Bay area, including Richmond, Berkeley, Emeryville, and Oakland. My co-founder and I, Tiffany Sprague, we started the organization because we both have young daughters of our own and they love to do STEM, and we realized when they were little there weren't a lot of programs that focused on girls in the kindergarten through 6th grade space, and when we did take them to programs there were mostly boys in the program, so we thought we wanted to create something specifically to engage the girls early on.
We are beyond thrilled to be partnering with the Sharks Foundation here at SAP Center today, teaming up to pack 600 STEM kits in support of Scientific Adventures for Girls. We're thrilled to be supporting their mission of inspiring young girls to pursue STEM careers and lifelong learning in STEM. We couldn't be more thrilled by this opportunity to inspire the next generation of scientists and technologists, and maybe they'll see themselves working at Western Digital one day.